In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix movies and TV app freezing, not working, or opening on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to right click on the date on our taskbar and select adjust date and time. So make sure you are in the current correct date and time. Turn off set time automatically and then simply change that from here. And then you can turn on set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Make sure that you are in the right region. Okay, so make sure of that. You can also perform a disk cleanup. So type disk cleanup on the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Okay, then you just have to simply select all of these options from here and then click on OK for the files that we need to delete and click on delete files. Okay, then for the next method, we need to go to the Windows search bar. I mean like on the start button and go to settings. Then we have to click on apps. Click on installed apps. Then simply search for movies and TV. Click on the three dots, select advanced options. Then you have to click on terminate and click on repair. Then click on the reset button and reset button once again. Okay, then restart your Windows. Right click at the start button. Shut down or sign out and restart. Then you can also uninstall it by clicking on the uninstall button. Once uninstalled, go to the Windows search bar and type store. Click on it under the best match. Then simply search movies and TV. Oh, not this one. And install this into your Windows. Okay? So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.